Hi guys, welcome to another video and welcome back to Pearl TV if you're watching this in my YouTube channel. And welcome back to Pearl TV Official if you're watching this in my FB page. At sa video na to guys, ang topic natin is paano ba magkakaroon tayo ng financial freedom. For us to achieve financial freedom daw guys is to set goals, okay? First is, we have to set goals, okay? Individuals accordingly dito sa Investopedia, okay? I'm reading an article from Investopedia, okay? We have to set goals accordingly. Individuals have different financial goals. Outline our objective accordingly and get specific amounts and deadlines. Tama pala yung ginawa ko kanina, guys. Nagja-jot down ako na, kinuha ko yung ballpen ko, kinuha ko yung notebook ko. So sabi ko, ano ba yung mga goals ko talaga sa buhay? Kanina lang talaga as in. Sabi ko, gusto ko ganitong taon, ganito na yung ipon ko dito. Like yung sa MP2, ayun. Sa MP2 kasi investment yung guys, 'di ba? Yung sa pag-ibig. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, dapat sa MP2 ganitong taon kasi magma-mature yung MP2 ko 2030 kasi 5 years ano yun, term. So dapat ganito na yung laman ng aking savings sa MP2 and then ganitong taon. Tama pala yung ginawa ko, guys, kasi nga I really want to achieve financial freedom in my life, okay? Yan, determine your short and long-term lifestyle, how much you need to reach your milestones, and at what age you will be, okay? Count backward from deadlines. Yes, tama pala yung ginagawa ko. Hindi ko pa ito nababasa kanina. Yun yung ginagawa ko. Kasi sabi ko, in order for me to achieve financial freedom, kasi kailangan may deadline siya. Kasi unlike, kasi nagre-reflect ako way back, ganitong taon, ito yung ano ko, tapos parang hindi ko na-hit eh. Parang ganun, may regret ako. Parang hindi ko na-hit kasi naging open time ako eh. Open time like this, di ba? So, mali yun. So, dapat may deadline talaga. Kaya, may deadline. Araw-araw gumagawa tayo. Diba? Like, for example, gusto ko may savings ako sa MP2. So, kailangan, magkano yung amount na gusto ko maipon na this, ano ba, MP2? Gusto ko ba yung pera ko? Ano ko, dapat gine-generate ko araw-araw or sinisave ko monthly para pag pumatak yung 5-year term, may ganung ano na, plus interest. Okay? So, diba? Ang bongga. So, ganun pala yung guys. Tama pala yung ginagawa ko. Okay? And number 2, accordingly to achieve financial freedom is you have to budget. Ayan, tama na naman. Create a monthly household budget to ensure bills are paid and savings are on track. Tama, ganun ang ginagawa ko. Kasi si Shasha, binuksan ko siya ng parang savings account for kids, di ba? So, kay Shasha, may mag-deposit ako ganito. Yung savings ko doon, kinukuha ko yun sa mga tinipid kong allowance. Kinukuha ko yung mga savings ko doon sa... Kasi 'di ba, meron akong mga small business like YouTube, Shopee, at yung mga home business ko dito sa bahay, nagge-generate siya ng income kahit kaunti, pero meron. 'Di ba? So nakakaipon ako ng pera na kahit pa konti-konti, na-i-save ko. Okay? So importante yung budgeting kasi para hindi tayo mag-overspend. Like sabihin natin, weekly ang budget lang naming family is 1,000. Sa bigas, gusto natin bumili ng fresh fish, mga ganon. Gusto natin bumili ng anong, minsan tinatamad tayong magluto, gusto natin kumain ng binili, diba? So, may budget tayo doon. Pero hanggang 1,000 lang. 1,000 lang for the whole week. Doon iikot ang ating gastos. Okay? So, importante yung guys. Maintaining a budget is a routine that reinforces your goals and helps squash the temptation of splurge. Yes, very true talaga yan guys. Kasi kung open budget ka, mangyayari sa'yo, ay, wala, may budget akong ganito. Yung parang feeling mo, ano ka, very wealthy ka na kung ano gusto mo bilhin. So, mali yun, okay? So, kailangan meron talagang budget. Even sa tubig, budget, ang tubig ko, ganito ako. Dapat, ganito ang attitude ko, guys, para to those people who don't have this kind of attitude and you want to adapt what I'm doing, okay? So, sabihin ko sa sarili ko, ang budget ko lang sa tubig monthly is 200 pesos. Doon lang iikot yun dapat. Kaya ngayon, pag naglalaba ako, marami akong mga balde dyan na naka-ready na. Yung mga pinangbanlaw ko, nakaipon yun doon. Para sa ano, diba? So, super saving activity yung ganun, guys. So, kayo ng mga balde nyo na pwede nyo paglagay ng malaking container para yung mga ginamit yung paglaba, pwede nyo ilagay doon. And then, in case na magputo lang tubig, pwede nyo gamitin yun para sa malinis na tubig, right? So, double purpose yun, guys. And then, number 3 accordingly is pay off credit cards. Credit cards and other high-interest consumer loan are toxic to wealth building, yes. Kapag may bill kayo sa credit card na medyo malaki, wag nyo nang i-installment kung kaya naman natin i-full payment, 'di ba? i-full payment natin kasi mag-generate ng interest yun. Okay? So, binili natin. Like, for example, grocery. Nag-grocery ako ngayong araw ng 4,000. Next month, magbibili yun. Ibayaran na natin kasi binag-budget naman natin talaga yun. So, bayaran na natin. Para hindi na siya mag-incur ng interest. Okay? Pero just in case na may talagang emergency pagkakagastos at hindi nyo mababayadan, ang gagawin nyo guys, i-apply nyo na lang ng installment for, let's say, for 6 months. Liliit yun, pero at least hindi ganun kalaki yung interest. Okay? So, meron naman offer ang mga credit card. Pero ako hindi ko na ginagawa yun kasi malaki. Then, number 4 is accordingly save automatically. Okay? Pay yourself first accordingly. Kaya, pakonsulohan muna natin ang ating sarili. Ideally, emergency and retirement money should come from the account that the day you receive your paycheck. Okay, you can also choose an automatic deposit in emergency fund which can tap into. Kasi kagaya ko na housewife, sustentado ako ng mister ko kami. Pagdating ng pera, ayan, ito, tatabi ko na to, dito to sa savings. Kahit maliit lang, mag-save tayo. Kasi hindi naman ganun. Or, tawag nito doon sa allowance ko. Diba sabi ko sa inyo, yung allowance ko weekly 1,000. Sabihin natin yung 200 doon, yun ang i-save natin. So weekly may savings ka na 200. Diba malaking bagay? So 800 na lang, malaking bagay. And then number 5 accordingly is start investing. The magic of compound interest help you grow your money exponentially. Start investing. Syempre kailangan may naipon kayong pera. Okay? You cannot invest to something that you do not have money yet, right? But when we say invest, sarili mo mag-invest ka. Okay? Start investing for yourself. You need to buy books like this, guys. Ayan, ito yung mga best investment. Ayan, na pwede nyo i-invest sa sarili nyo. Kasi financial freedom ang pinag-uusapan natin. We need to be educated as far as money issue is concerned, right? So, here are the books that you can use in order for you to change your mindset at the same time, give us direction, okay? So, ayan. Napakamura lang nito, guys. The link is in the comment section and in the description box if you're watching this in YouTube. Okay, sa description box, guys, makikita nyo at mga to. Napaka-importante nito na mabasa natin, guys. Lalo na sa mga super baguhan pa lang sa world of business, okay? So, makikita nyo dito, guys, sa Diary of a Pulubi. Bakit ang isang tao pulubi? Kasi wala siyang goal, right? Wala siyang goal. So, what does the pulubi do? Why does the pulubi remain pulubi? Okay, so makikita natin dito. But it doesn't mean that those people who are living, even tayo, we can be called pulubi if we don't have money, right? Okay? So, napakahalaga na mag-self-invest, okay? You need to learn, acquire skills at the same time also. Click nyo lang guys yung link if you're watching this in YouTube or Facebook. Description box kapag sa YouTube. Okay, comment section kapag you're watching this in Facebook, okay? So, ayun guys. Ayun nga guys, pag nakaipon, di ba nag-save tayo, di ba? Pwede naman natin yung nag-guide na for investing. Like what? Buying those stuffs like books, right? You need to buy books, okay? And then, to acquire skills, okay? You need to acquire skills. So, how? There are trainings that you can attend with, okay? Merong mga culinary school na yung mura lang ang offer nila. One day tutorial, ayan, mag-attend kayo nun guys, okay? Or merong mga baking class na talagang mga sobrang mura lang guys. If you really want to learn, invest for yourself. Kasi bakit? Business goal yun guys eh. Pag natutunan na natin yung mga paraan ng paggawa ng pagkain, lalo kung wala pa kayong background kung ano talagang pagkain ang gusto nyong gawin, diba? So ayun, invest for yourself, attend seminars, trainings, okay? Para matutunan nyo kung paano gawin. At the same time, pag na-acquire nyo na yung skills, so you can start a simple business at home, invest in something that can help us grow our talent or skills, okay? And then, number 6 accordingly is what's your credit score? Okay? Your credit score help determines the interest rate on your car or buying home. It also impacts the amount you pay for essential like car. Ayun, titingnan nyo guys yung mga interest rate. You have to compare, okay? Kasi kung sobrang taas, you have to turn down the offer, okay? You look for a cheaper one, right? Then number 7 accordingly is negotiate. So learn how to do a negotiation, right? Kung pwede kayong magtawad, like may bibilhin kayo ng ganito or you buy in bulk, okay? Ayun yan, pag ako bumibili ako sa market sa Balintawa kasi mura doon, wholesale kasi ang presyo doon. Okay, like mga gulay, mga prutas pang wholesale, mura kumpara sa supermarket, right? And keep on learning accordingly, okay? Keep up with the financial news and development in the stock market. And do not hesitate to adjust your investment portfolio, okay? Ayan, maintain, ay sabi, keep up your adjust investment. Ayun, anong sinasabi niya, yung mga paper asset yan guys eh. So if you want to invest in stock market, in cryptocurrency, okay? May mga taong yumayaman kasi doon guys, sa stock market, sa cryptocurrency, UITF, at iba-iba pang mga investment, okay? So you have to check. Mag-research din kayo kung what are the investment that's perfect for you, okay? And then, number 9 accordingly is maintain our property daw guys. Sabi dito, according to JP Morgan, house prices are expected to increase 3% in 2025, okay? Which will help save maintaining real estate, which will help save or even increase its value. taking good care of other items like saves money. Yes, you have to from time to time take good care of our things and the other stuffs, okay? Para tumagal, kasi makakatipid tayo. Live below your means, okay? What does this mean? Okay, so when we say live below your means is developing a mindset focused on living a good life with less, okay? So ibig sabihin, wag tayo masyadong extravagant. Kailangan, we have to learn to distinguish between the things that we need and the things that we want. And then making small adjustments that drive big gains for your financial wealth. Okay, so malaking bagay. Naalala ko nga nung nagtatrabaho pa lang ako, sinasabi nga nila lagi na kuripot ako, pero hindi talaga ako kuripot. Medyo ano lang ako eh, kumbaga practical lang talaga ako. Practical ako kasi, like for example, may nakita akong pagkain sa mall, like tinapay sobrang mahal. 250 isang piraso ng tinapay na pangmayaman. Gusto ko kumain, okay? So that time, sumasahod naman ako ng, let's say, sabihin natin, sumasahod na ako that time ng 900 pesos per day or 1,000. So nakita ko yung tinapay, 250 pesos. Kakainin kong ako lang mag-isa. Parang ano eh, parang hindi tama eh, no? It will affect the big portion of my earning in a day. So sabi ko parang hindi tama. So bibili na lang ako ng ordinary na tinapay kasi sabi ko parang hindi ko ma-attend. Sanay kasi hindi naman kasi kami mayaman. I grew up in a family in a province and then hindi ko kayang kumain ng mag-isa ng ganong kamahal tapos ako lang mag-isa. Hindi ko kaya. So I really need to eat kahit small, mura lang, cheap, basta marami akong kasamang kumain. Okay? Okay lang kumain ako ng isang piraso ng tinapay basta mura lang siya at hindi nakakakonsensya. Okay? Okay, ganun ako eh. That's my attitude eh. Laging sinasabi nilang kuripot pero hindi yun totoo. Hindi ako kuripot. Medyo practical. Okay? So I really live a very frugal lifestyle. Even ukay-ukay, I used to wear 10 pesos ukay-ukay. Kung may makikita kayo mga outfit, kung minsan, it only cost 10 pesos. Ganon. Okay, kasi, my point is, bihira ko lang naman gamitin, di ba? So, last but not the least, is accordingly take care of ourselves. Okay? Proper maintenance also applies to your physical health. A healthy lifestyle and a regular visit to doctors and dentists help thwart long-term issues and save you money on medical expenses in the long run. Okay? And of course, you have to take good care of our health by doing a simple daily routine exercise. Okay? I keep on walking. Pag magandang panahon, sa likod, sa subdivision sa likod, malapit sa school ni Shasha, naglalakad ako, guys. At least 30 to 1 hour per day, I walk. Ganon lang. Okay? Para sabi ko, ano lang, huwag natin ismulin yung brisk walking kasi it's really good for the heart. Okay? So, kasi, aanhin naman natin yung financial matter or pagiging financially free kung may sakit na tayo. Okay? So, I hope may natutunan kayo guys sa video na to and you would love to like and subscribe and follow and share this video. Okay? So, bye and thanks for watching.